Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Shareen Nicole. I'm back with another video of a little bit of everything. So today I'm just going to do a get ready with me. I'll start with my hair. So this is normally what I do. My hair is actually wet. I just came out the shower. I got dressed. I got to go somewhere. So it's going to be a little bit quick. But I just put this. So we got whole blends. This is Honey Treasures. And this is repairing conditioner. I just use whatever conditioner I can get. So I just squeeze like that much in there. If I need more, I add more. And I just work that in like that. My roots is growing in. I have to recolor my hair. So today I'm just going to do like a high puff. I think that was enough. Normally I rinse my hands off and stuff, so I'm going to be all sticky. But that's fine. So I just use a shoestring, any shoestring I can find. I'll line it up in the back, like so. And then I just tie it in the front. Push the back up, squeeze the top until like wherever you want it. So I kind of want mine right there. Then I just wrap it around in the back, tie it once, and then I tie it a second time. So I put it in a knot, but not like a really tight knot. I don't know if you can see what's going on right there. And then I'll just take this and wrap it around up under here. Normally I have a shorter shoestring, but whatever. I just tuck it under. Then I take the other one, wrap it around, and tuck it under. If I can get it. Okay. And then so you don't see it, I pull my hair out around the whole perimeter. And I'll just fluff or pick at it like that with my fingers. I don't really do much. Like that. I should have got a towel. Oh, hold on. I got like a shirt here. I know, gross, right? Alright. So now, on to the makeup. Like I said, fresh out the shower, so my face is dry as... So I just got some Pond's for dry skin. How have you guys been doing? I've got a lot going on, boy, when I tell you. I'm like always busy. Oh my goodness, between work, some events I have coming up, which I will do a video on. I don't want to tell you. I'll surprise you guys. Yep. So I'm just going to get right into it. I probably won't do any more talking. I'll just show you what I'm doing. Also, my hairline is pretty light. I don't know. It's this thing that happens during the winter where my skin gets lighter in certain spots. I don't know. Maybe it's eczema. I do have eczema, but I have no clue why it does that. But I don't know. So anyways, back to the video. I don't know, I have this thing where I like to rub under my eyes the opposite way. It feels so good. Alright, let's get into it.